The world watched with bated breath as white smoke billowed from the Sistine Chapel on May 8, 2025, signaling the election of a new pope. A new pope had been chosen, and the anticipation was palpable. Cardinal Robert Prevost, an American, was elected as Pope Leo XIV, marking a historic moment for the Catholic Church. The news sent shockwaves globally, with people from all corners of the world reacting to this unprecedented event. For the first time in history, the Catholic Church had an American pope, a significant shift in its long-standing traditions. Stepping onto the balcony of St. Peter's Basilica, Pope Leo XIV greeted the world with a gentle smile, his presence radiating warmth. "Peace be with you all," he began, his voice echoing across St. Peter's Square, resonating with the thousands gathered below. His words, spoken in accented Italian, carried humility and hope, touching the hearts of many. He paid tribute to his predecessor, Pope Francis, acknowledging his contributions and legacy. "Let us keep in our ears the weak voice of Pope Francis that blesses Rome," he urged, his words filled with reverence. The crowd erupted in cheers, sensing the dawn of a new era filled with hope and renewed faith. The world waited with anticipation for this new chapter in the history of the Catholic Church, eager to see what changes Pope Leo XIV would bring. Born in Chicago in 1956, Robert Prevost's journey to the papacy was nothing short of extraordinary. From a young age, he was deeply influenced by his devout Catholic upbringing. Raised in a devout Catholic family, he felt the call to priesthood early in his life. His commitment to his faith was unwavering, and he pursued his religious studies with great dedication. Embracing his dual citizenship, American and Peruvian, Prevost's heart was drawn to South America. He felt a deep connection to the people and culture of the region. He dedicated years to missionary work in Peru, serving the poor and marginalized. His efforts included establishing soup kitchens and community outreach programs. These experiences profoundly shaped his worldview and leadership approach. Prevost's dedication and leadership did not go unnoticed within the church. He ascended through church ranks, serving as bishop in Peru and leading the Vatican office for bishop appointments. His election as Pope Leo XIV signaled a continuation of his commitments on the world stage. Throughout his career, Prevost remained a steadfast advocate for the poor and marginalized, always striving to make a difference. His legacy as the American Pope is marked by his unwavering dedication to those in need and his profound impact on the global Catholic community. Pope Leo XIV's leadership is characterized by humility and service. He leads by example, emphasizing pastoral care and outreach to those in need. His time as a missionary in South America gave him a profound understanding of the challenges faced by the poor. Known for his approachable demeanor, he connects with people from all walks of life. Despite his gentle nature, Pope Leo XIV is a man of deep convictions. He is a staunch defender of traditional Catholic teachings. However, he is also seen as a pragmatist, willing to engage in dialogue on complex social issues. His papacy is expected to emphasize evangelism and missionary work. His vision for the Church is one of outward focus, reaching out to society's peripheries. Pope Leo XIV's election has been met with excitement and cautious optimism. His rise to the papacy marks a significant moment in the history of the Catholic Church. World leaders have extended congratulations, recognizing the significance of an American pope. This unprecedented event has sparked discussions on the global stage. Young Catholics hope for a more inclusive and progressive church under his leadership. They see him as a beacon of change and a symbol of hope for the future. However, his stance on social issues has sparked debate. Many are eager to see how he will address these complex and often divisive topics. While seen as a centrist, his opposition to ordaining women as deacons has drawn criticism. This decision has led to protests and calls for reform within the Church. There is a consensus that he will continue Pope Francis's work in promoting dialogue between faiths and cultures. His commitment to fostering understanding and cooperation is widely acknowledged. One striking aspect of his papacy is his commitment to environmental preservation. He has made it clear that protecting our planet is a top priority. He has called for urgent action to address climate change. His passionate speeches have inspired many to join the cause. His environmental advocacy resonates with young people worldwide. They see him as a leader who understands their concerns and is willing to take bold steps. His vision extends beyond the Church, emphasizing interfaith dialogue and unity. Pope Leo XIV aims to build bridges and create a more harmonious world. The election of Pope Leo XIV marks a watershed moment in Catholic Church history. As the first American pope, he brings a unique and fresh perspective to the papacy. His background as a dedicated missionary and commitment to serving the poor have generated excitement. His choice of the name Leo, associated with strength and courage, is telling and significant. He faces a church grappling with internal divisions and numerous external challenges. The world is marked by conflict, inequality, and environmental degradation, yet Pope Leo XIV offers a powerful message of hope. He calls us to embrace our shared humanity and work together for a more just and peaceful world. His papacy will undoubtedly shape the Church's direction for years to come.